just got Apple AirPods, Active Noise Cancellation. I just want to do a small unboxing video. Let's have unboxing video. Let's see what's inside the box. I just bought this one from US. Designed. I have some manual and book and some stickers inside. And here is the Apple AirPods unboxing. Let's see the package. It's very nice. Very compact, very nice. Let's unbox the video. Very nice. Here is assembled in when I designed Apple in California. A small, it's very nice, compact results. Thank you.